First, prepare a bath of soapy water and put about 80 milliliters of vinegar into a flask. You could put more, maybe 100. Doesn't matter that much as long as you don't put like too little vinegar in. Now I'm putting in a few magnesium strips, and you can see they're immediately reacting, releasing a lot of bubbles. So I'm quickly attaching the hose and putting it into the soapy water. Magnesium is very reactive, so the reaction starts very quickly. There aren't many hydrogen bubbles forming in the bath, so if you do this yourself, you might want to use more magnesium than I did. I found that shaking the flask helps the bubbles form. And now for the fun part. That was my first attempt. It went all right, though in the past I've seen larger explosions. I probably should have let the bubbles go for a bit longer. So, right now I'm putting some more magnesium strips in. I suggest putting in 5-6 magnesium strips. That's what worked for me. But, the more magnesium, the more bubbles. That explosion went pretty well, but it still didn't have the accumulation of bubbles that I was hoping for. So I just let the bubbles go for a while. I found that the cork kept popping off, so I had to push that back on every now and then. The pressure must have been getting pretty high from all the bubbles. So what's happening is the magnesium is reacting with the acetic acid in the vinegar, and the acetic acid is losing its hydrogen as the gas, and it's creating magnesium acetate as byproduct. And we store the hydrogen in the bubbles so that we can blow it up. This time I haven't had the largest explosions, but in slow motion they look pretty cool. Thanks for watching.